Hey guys, Gary here again from the Natural Living and Survival blog. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to clean a grungy shower. Now, as you can see here, my shower's got some soap scum on it, and we're going to use just natural cleaning ingredients. We're going to use baking soda and we're going to use hydrogen peroxide, and we're going to sprinkle the baking soda on, spray the hydrogen peroxide over it, and clean all the soap scum up. Okay, so what we're going to do here first is I'm going to spray down the walls with hydrogen peroxide, and then I'm going to use my little squeeze bottle here to get baking soda to stick to the wall. Okay, so now I'm going to sprinkle baking soda on the bottom of the shower. And now we're going to come back and spray hydrogen peroxide over the top of that and let it sit for a little bit. Do its work, bleach the white bottom, and get these stains out. Okay, so we're going to let this sit a little bit, and then we'll use our paste to scrub out the stains and get our shower nice and clean. Okay, so we've let this sit and work for about 20 minutes. Now what I've done is I've gotten a bucket of hot water and a microfiber cloth, and I'm going to go to work here. I'm going to start from the outside in, so we're not walking in this. Okay, so I finished scrubbing, and you can see our baking soda and hydrogen peroxide did a really good job of taking the soap scum out of the shower. Looks really good, and I would say this one worked just as advertised. So we'll see you in the next video, and thanks again for watching.